Planet Earth is home to an incredible variety of birds, each with its own unique characteristics and beauty. From tropical forests to the driest deserts, the skies and lands are inhabited by these fascinating creatures. Some draw attention for their vibrant plumage, others for their enchanting songs. And then there are those that impress with their size, you know? In the bird kingdom, the title of largest representative goes to the imposing ostrich. Originally from Africa, this giant can reach 2.7 meters in height and weigh around 150 kilos. Its long, muscular legs are not just for show. They are powerful tools that allow the ostrich to run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, leaving most predators behind. It's like a racing car. Adaptable to arid environments, the ostrich has unique characteristics to survive in extreme conditions. Its large eyes, protected by long eyelashes, guarantee privileged vision. In addition to speed, its long legs help regulate body temperature, dissipating heat. Although it cannot fly, the ostrich makes up for this limitation with its strength and speed. A single kick from its strong legs is enough to knock down a lion. And its eggs, the largest in the world, are a highly prized delicacy. Who has never heard of an ostrich omelette? In contrast to the ostrich's grandeur, the title of smallest bird in the world goes to the delicate bee hummingbird, a true winged jewel found in Cuba. At just 5 centimeters long and weighing less than 2 grams, it is smaller than a thumb. This tiny bird is an example of delicacy and adaptation. Its tiny body, with vibrant plumage in shades of blue, green, and red, houses a heart that beats up to 1,260 times per minute, a record in the animal world. That's a lot of speed. Its wings beat an average of 80 times per second, allowing it to perform impressive aerial maneuvers, such as hovering in the air and even flying backwards. The bee hummingbird feeds on flower nectar, using its long, thin beak to reach inside the corollas. Its sugar-rich diet provides the energy needed to sustain its accelerated metabolism and acrobatic flights. It is like a high-performance athlete. Both the ostrich and the bee hummingbird demonstrate how adaptation is essential for survival and evolutionary success. The ostrich, with its size and speed, is a master of running and defending itself in its environment. The bee hummingbird, with its miniaturization and agility, is an expert in the art of collecting nectar and pollinating flowers, each one in its own square. The great variety of sizes, shapes, and behaviors observed in birds, such as the ostrich and the bee hummingbird, is a testament to life's capacity for adaptation and evolution. It is nature putting on a show. Each species, however different it may be, plays a crucial role in the balance of ecosystems. Birds are important pollinators, seed dispersers, pest controllers, and even indicators of environmental health. The extinction of a single species can have unpredictable consequences for the entire ecosystem. It's like a puzzle. Each piece is important. The world of birds is a spectacle of diversity and beauty, with representatives ranging from the giant ostrich to the tiny bee hummingbird. Each species, with its unique characteristics, teaches us about adaptation, evolution, and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Let's preserve it for future generations, shall we?